Build your email list. Your email list is the only real asset you have in your business. Tell me, how many times have you heard these two statements? Probably most of you lost count already, but no one really shows you how to build a high quality email list. So by the end of the video, you know 3 bulletproof ways to run Facebook and Instagram ads to finally start collecting cheap and high quality leads and build that email list everyone is talking about. Hey my friends, my name is Michael Hoffmann, and with my agency, we help health and wellness business owners every day to generate high quality leads using Facebook and Instagram ads. Now, you might want to say, I can't really spend money on building my email list, like my resources are short anyways. But what if I tell you that on average, every person on your email list is worth $1 per month? With the 3 ways to generate leads using Facebook ads that I'm going to show you in this video, we use them every single day to generate high quality leads for $1 or less for our health and wellness clients and also for our agency. So now it's your turn and let's dive in. For the best online marketing strategies and frameworks for your health and wellness business, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I post new videos every Thursday. And also make sure to hit that little notification bell down below to never miss a video again. The first way to generate leads using Facebook ads is actually running traffic to your website or your blog. This is actually one of the easiest and cheapest ways to run traffic to your website. You don't need a fancy landing page or a funnel or even a lead magnet. All you need is a blog or a podcast that's hosted on your website, something where you can provide value and something where you can place a sign-up form for your email list on. The concept behind the strategy is pretty simple. You simply provide value in your blog post or your podcast episode, whatever you want to do, and inside of this piece of content, you tell people if they want more of it, they have to sign up for your email list. Running Facebook ads campaigns with a traffic action as a goal, such as landing page views, are usually much cheaper than other campaign objectives, and you reach much more people. And therefore, you get the nice side effect of brand exposure as well. However, there are certain downsides that come with this way of generating leads using Facebook ads. One, the amount of people who sign up for your email list heavily depends on the quality of your content. I have no doubt that your content is great, but just be aware that if your content is not good enough, not many people will sign up. Also, because Facebook will deliver these ads to people that are maybe not your ideal customer, you will end up with either lower quality leads or less leads in general because these people are known for clicking but not signing up. This second one is actually one of my favorite ways to generate leads using Facebook ads just because it's so simple to set up. Facebook lead forms. The difference with this objective is that the Facebook user actually never leaves the platform Facebook itself. You can collect their information right away, and most of the times they don't even have to type in their information because it will be autofilled with their information that they use to sign up for Facebook. And that's especially useful for people using their mobile phones, which we know is the majority of people right now. On the one hand, they don't have to worry to type in their information on their maybe smaller phones. And on the other hand, you don't have to worry about responsiveness of your website or your landing page or just to make it look good on mobile. To solely generate leads, I think Facebook lead forms are the way to go and one of the easiest ways to generate leads. They're usually cheaper than conversion ads as Facebook always prefers solutions that keep people on their platform and that increases the usage time of a single user. So lead forms are super user friendly and the quality of the leads is usually better as you'll get actual information that people use to sign up for Facebook, so they must somewhat be up to date. They also don't require any technical knowledge, like you don't have to know about sales funnels, you don't have to know about lead magnets or email autoresponders. They are really simple to set up so everyone can do it. The only negatives that I see here is that you don't have a lot of space to provide value and convince the user to sign up for your email list simply because you only have the ad and then the lead form. The lead form is basically just the form where you can type in your name and your email address, and that's it. So you have to do a really good job in either your ad creative or your ad copy to convince the user to sign up for your email list and that it's worth his time. Also, the fact that the leads are saved directly on Facebook and nowhere else is also kind of inconvenient. So you need a tool like Zapier or some other automation tool that will actually shoot the leads that you generate from Facebook ads into your email service provider like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. So I'm gonna link Zapier down below. It's a neat tool, it's for free, and you should use it to actually connect your Facebook lead ads with your email autoresponder. By the way, I created a super detailed checklist on how to create these Facebook lead form campaigns from scratch. So make sure to download it for free. You'll find the link in the description below. Also, there are so many ways to generate leads and to build your email list. So comment below and tell me your favorite way on how to get people on your email list. This last one is probably the most popular way to build your email list using Facebook ads, and that is conversion events. To use this objective, you need to have your Facebook pixel set up and the standard event code for leads on the thank you page of your lead magnet. So it sounds really complicated, right? And it actually is when you're only starting out. And that's why so many business owners who tried running Facebook ads in the past, they give up because they simply can't see the results. And most of the time, it's just a simple tweak with the event code or the pixel to fix things. So if you're only starting out with Facebook ads and you want to go this route, you probably want to make sure to talk to someone or to consult with someone who did it before to make sure everything is set up properly and you don't waste your budget. Also, you need a landing page or a website or some sort of platform where you can host a sign-up form to capture all the leads that are coming your way. I know it's a lot to set up until everything is ready to go, but when it is a very powerful way to use advertising to build your email list and to actually grow your customer base. Because not only can you improve your ads over time, you can also improve your landing page and your copy and your headlines there, simply to have two levers to pull to make more people sign up for your email list. It gets you way more options to actually get the best out of your campaign and for maximum performance. With conversion objectives, you will most likely get the best quality leads coming from Facebook. That is because Facebook knows about people that they are most likely to sign up for an email list or they are most likely to do a purchase. So they will deliver your ads only to people that are most likely to sign up for email lists. And down the road, you can also work with lookalike audiences to lower your ad costs even more. There are really only two downsides to this way of running lead generation campaigns with Facebook ads. The first one is you have to be fairly knowledgeable when it comes to Facebook ads and lead generation to actually set up these types of campaigns. And second, they are also the most expensive types of campaigns and campaign objectives compared to the other two ways that I showed you before. Facebook knows that the quality of the leads will be better, so therefore they can charge you more. And here they are. Now you know the 3 proven ways to generate leads and build your email list using Facebook ads or Instagram ads. But what about actually creating the campaigns and the ads? I know for a fact that starting out with Facebook ads and trying to build campaigns can be super overwhelming, especially in the beginning. That's why I created a step-by-step checklist on how to run Facebook ads for lead generation without all the fancy stuff around it. No funnel, no autoresponder, no landing page, just you, your lead magnet, and Facebook ads. Also, with the checklist, you'll get a video tutorial where I actually walk you through the process of creating the campaign that I actually outlined in the checklist, so you can just follow along and build it with me. So make sure to download it for free. You'll find the link to the checklist in the description below. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got any value out of it, please make sure to share it with your friends, colleagues, coworkers, anybody that could be interested in running Facebook ads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.